Jansen. That is into center field. Here comes Kiermaier. Phillips has tied the game. Rose Arena coming around. Throw home. Now he stumbles. But the ball gets away. Tampa Bay wins it. Brett Phillips, game 4 hero.
Well, a bad, bad, bad. 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 Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bad, bad. Well, a bad. Surfing.
They never quit. It's unbelievable. And right here, Arozarena is absolutely flying, and Wright slips, falls down. Well, Will Smith has no idea at this point. An unbelievable comeback victory. From the bat of Brett Phillips to that mistake by Taylor. The throw by Muncy to that from Will Smith. Two-run score on the play, and with that, instead of extra innings, Tampa Bay has evened this World Series at 2 games apiece. And Roberts can't believe it.
Well, a bad, bad, bad. Well, a bad, bad, bad. Well, a bad, bad, bad. Well, a bad, bad, bad.